In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images and media in Durable AI. Durable automatically creates your website with placeholder images, which is great for getting started fast. But to make your site feel authentic and on brand, you'll want to replace those AI-generated images with your own visuals or carefully chosen stock photos. I'll walk you through exactly how to do that and then show you how to add brand new image sections to your pages. Start by selecting the image you want to change. Click directly on the section that contains the placeholder image. This might be a banner, a single image block, or another visual element. When you click it, the editing sidebar will open on the side of your screen, giving you the controls you need. Next, open the image editor, look for the triple dots, the three-dot menu, and click it. This reveals the image gallery and editor options for that section, so you can manage what's currently there. Now delete the placeholder. In the gallery or editor view, choose delete on the current image. Don't worry, you're just clearing the spot so you can insert your own media. Add your new image by clicking Add Image, then Add Media. At this point you have two choices. Upload an image from your device, or search Durable's built-in stock image library to find something that fits your brand. Once you choose your image, confirm your selection, and the new image will automatically replace the AI-generated one in that section. For the best results, use clear, high-quality images that are sized appropriately, so your pages load quickly. By the way, if you're just getting started and need access to the tool, you'll find the link to Durable at the very top of the video description. Let's add new images and sections to expand your layout. Hover your mouse over the page, then click Add Section, the plus icon that appears at the end of a section. You'll be able to pick the kind of section you want. A full-width banner, a simple image block, an image grid for multiple visuals, or an image carousel if you want a swipeable gallery. After you choose the section type, use the editor to upload and place your images just like before. A quick tip before we wrap up. Real photos of your products, team, or workspace build trust and help visitors connect with your brand. Keep your images clear, consistent, and optimized so your site stays fast and polished. That's it. Now you can confidently replace AI-generated images and add new visual sections in Durable. If this was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thanks for watching.